Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Lexus LC 500 in Forza Horizon 5. To acquire this stunning vehicle, your primary method is to visit the in-game auto show. This is the most straightforward way to add the LC 500 to your garage. Simply navigate to the auto show from your game menu, locate the Lexus brand, and select the LC 500 for purchase. Once you're in the auto show, finding the Lexus LC 500 is simple. It's listed under the Lexus manufacturer. The car typically costs 125,000 credits, so make sure you have enough in-game currency. After selecting it, confirm your purchase, and the car will be added to your garage, ready for you to drive and customize. Besides the auto show, you can also try your luck at the auction house. Players often list the Lexus LC 500 there, sometimes at a lower price or with pre-installed upgrades. Keep an eye on the festival playlist and seasonal events too. Occasionally, the LC 500 appears as a reward for completing specific challenges, offering another way to earn it. Once you own the Lexus LC 500, the fun truly begins with customization. You can upgrade its engine, tires, and suspension to boost performance, making it a formidable competitor in races. Don't forget to personalize its appearance with custom paint jobs, liveries, and body kits to truly make it your own. For more deals and to grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.